In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly for Small Businesses Explained. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. This is the easiest way to make sure you're landing on the correct page before creating your account. Once you're on the home page, look around for a button that says something like Get Started, Sign Up, or anything similar. Click that button to begin the account creation process. If you want to try the platform for yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. On the sign up page, enter the required information to create your account, such as your email address and password. Depending on what options are available, you may also see alternative sign up methods. If those appear, you can choose whichever one is most convenient for you. After filling everything in, complete the registration process and move on to the next step. If Formly asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from GetFormly. Open that email and click the verification button or follow whatever instructions are provided in the message. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps you access the platform properly. After verification is complete, return to the GetFormly website. From there, enter your account credentials and click the login button, or the equivalent option if it's labeled slightly differently. Once you're signed in, you should be taken to the main dashboard. Now take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard layout. This is where new users can usually see the main navigation areas, important menus, and the sections used to manage forms and account activity. If you're brand new to the platform, it's helpful to briefly scan the sidebar, top menu, or main workspace so you know where everything is located. Next, begin using GetFormly by finding the area where you can create or manage your forms. For a first basic action, start by opening the form creation area or selecting the option to create a new form. Keep this part simple and focus on the first action a beginner would realistically take right after signing up. The goal here is just to get comfortable entering the platform and knowing where to begin. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account if needed, log in, access the dashboard, and begin using the platform through the website. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description.